Intro. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that is garnering a lot of attention in the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning: building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline. If you're a data scientist, machine learning engineer, or anyone interested in deploying AI models into production, you're in the right place. We'll be discussing the entire journey from development to production, covering best practices, tools, and frameworks that can help you create a robust, scalable pipeline. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Section 1: The importance of a deployment pipeline. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details of how to construct a scalable deployment pipeline, let's first understand why it's crucial. In the world of AI, developing a model is just the beginning. The real challenge lies in deploying that model effectively so it can deliver value in a real-world environment. An effective deployment pipeline allows teams to automate and streamline the process, ensuring that updates can be made quickly and models can be continuously improved. In addition, a well-structured deployment pipeline enhances collaboration between data scientists and IT operations, often referred to as MLOps. This collaboration facilitates better communication and understanding of each team's responsibilities, helping to bridge the gap between model development and operational deployment. With the right pipeline in place, organizations can iterate faster, respond to business needs more rapidly, and ultimately provide better services to their clients. Section 2: Model Development Phase. Now that we've established the importance of having a deployment pipeline, let's look at the initial phase, model development. This phase typically involves collecting data, cleaning it, feature engineering, training models, and validating performance. 1. Data collection. First, you need to gather the necessary data. Depending on your use case, this could be structured data from databases or unstructured data from various sources, including text, images, or videos. It's essential to ensure that your data is of high quality and representative of the problem you're trying to solve. 2. Data pre-processing. Once you have your data, the next step is pre-processing. This includes cleaning the data by removing duplicates and handling missing values. You might also need to normalize or standardize your features to prepare them for the modeling process. 3. Feature engineering. This is where the magic happens. You'll want to create meaningful features that can help your model learn better. This might involve combining existing features, creating new ones, or transforming variables into a more usable format. 4. Model training. After pre-processing and feature engineering, you'll move on to selecting and training your model. This could involve traditional machine learning algorithms like linear regression or decision trees, or deep learning models like neural networks. Remember, the choice of model depends on the nature of your data and the problem you're trying to solve. 5. Model evaluation. Once trained, you'll need to evaluate your model's performance using metrics relevant to your problem, such as accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score. This step will help you understand how well your model is performing and whether it's ready for deployment. Section 3: Conceptualizing the deployment pipeline. With your model trained and validated, you're ready to move into the deployment phase. A deployment pipeline is essentially a series of steps that your model will go through before it becomes available for end users. A scalable pipeline can handle increased workloads and allow for easy updates or rollbacks. 1. Continuous integration/continuous deployment, CI/CD. A CI/CD pipeline is a critical component of a deployment strategy. It automates the process of integrating code changes and deploying code to production, ensuring that new features and fixes are delivered to users quickly and reliably. For AI models, this means that updates can be made seamlessly without significant downtime or disruptions. 2. Version control. It is crucial to implement version control for your models, just like you would for code. Tools like Git can help you track changes in your model, datasets, and the associated code. This becomes particularly important when you are experimenting with various models or hyperparameters. 3. Containerization. To ensure that your model runs consistently across different environments, consider using containerization tools like Docker. Containers package your model and all its dependencies into a single unit, which can be deployed anywhere. This eliminates the "it works on my machine" problem and ensures that your model behaves the same way in production as it did during testing. 4. Orchestration. Orchestrating the deployment of your AI models can be a complex task, especially if you have multiple models or microservices. Tools like Kubernetes can help manage the deployment, scaling, and operations of containerized applications, ensuring that your models are always available to users. 5. Monitoring and logging. Once your model is deployed, it's essential to monitor its performance in real time. Implementing logging and monitoring solutions can help you track key metrics and identify any performance degradation. If your model starts to drift due to changes in the underlying data, you want to know about it as soon as possible so you can retrain it accordingly. Section 4. Scaling the pipeline. At this stage, you have a basic deployment pipeline in place. Now, you may need to scale it to handle increasing workloads, user demands, or new features. Here are some strategies for scaling your AI model deployment pipeline. 1. Load balancing. As your application grows, you might find that a single instance of your model cannot handle the incoming requests. Implementing load balancers can distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances of your models, ensuring that no single instance is overwhelmed. 2. Autoscaling. In addition to load balancing, you might want to implement autoscaling features. This allows your pipeline to automatically adjust the number of running instances based on the current load, ensuring optimal performance while minimizing costs. 3. Microservices architecture. Consider breaking your application into smaller, manageable microservices. Each service can handle a specific task, making it easier to scale individual components of your pipeline as needed. This architecture also enhances modularity and makes it easier to maintain and update your system. For data pipelines, data is the lifeblood of AI models, and as you scale, it's crucial to have efficient data pipelines in place. Tools like Apache Kafka or Apache Airflow can help you manage the flow of data within your pipeline, ensuring that your models always have access to the most up-to-date information. 5. Cloud services. Finally, consider leveraging cloud services that specialize in AI and machine learning to help scale your deployment pipeline. Platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure offer scalable solutions for model deployment, allowing you to focus on building and improving your models rather than managing infrastructure. Section 5. Continuous monitoring and improvement. After deploying your model and scaling your pipeline, the work isn't over. Continuous monitoring and improvement are essential for ensuring that your model remains effective and relevant over time. Here are a few strategies for maintaining your deployed model. 1. A/B testing. One of the best ways to evaluate the effectiveness of your model is through A/B testing. By comparing the performance of two versions of your model in real time, you can make data-driven decisions about whether to roll out new changes or stick with the existing version. 2. Retraining. As new data becomes available, it's crucial to retrain your model to maintain its performance. Implementing automated retraining pipelines can help streamline this process, ensuring that your model is always up to date. 3. Feedback loops. Incorporate user feedback into your model improvement process. By collecting feedback from end users about their experiences with the model, you can identify areas for improvement and iterate on your design. For documentation, finally, ensure that you maintain comprehensive documentation throughout the development and deployment process. Good documentation can facilitate better communication among team members and help onboard new engineers more easily. Conclusion. In conclusion, building a scalable AI model deployment pipeline from development to production is a multifaceted process that requires careful planning and execution. From model development through to deployment, scaling, and continuous improvement, each phase presents its own challenges and opportunities. By implementing best practices such as CI/CD, version control, containerization, and effective monitoring, you can create a robust pipeline that not only meets your current needs but can also adapt and grow with your organization. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with your network. We'd love to hear your thoughts on AI model deployment pipelines and any experiences you've had in building your own. Leave your comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Until next time, happy coding!